So good morning, everyone. Now, this time I'm here to go for a lucky draw for people who are there, especially for Middle East. So good morning, everyone. So special lucky draw scheme for Westige Middle East. Today I'm here to go for it, and which is the scheme which was valid only in Oman, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, and UAE. It was valid from 2nd to 7th of the month. And in this during this period, people have to purchase all the people who are all Vestiges had to purchase 85 PV of products in multiple invoices or maybe in a single invoice. And today we are there to identify who are those 15 lucky people who are going to get this mobile phone. So all the best to you all. Just to share with you, I'll not take out any name from here. This is a software-driven system. My colleague will come and they will take out the names. When we will start, all the names which are there, they are going to get shuffled here. When they'll stop, one name will come out and that will be listed here. And lately, we will be listing all the names here. And after the lucky draw, we will be arranging a call for you so that you confirm your credentials so that we can get in touch with you. So shall we start? So each one of you have all the best. So who's coming for the first time? Yes. Who's coming first? Yes. Okay, fine.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I'm Monica. Start करते हैं.
So all the names which are there, they are going to get shuffled here, and out of these we'll be identifying 50 names. So Monica, whenever you feel like you can stop this. So the first name that has come is Ishwar L. Magar. Ishwar L. Magar. I hope I'm taking the right name. So congratulations to you. And your ID is 57121848. So congratulations. You will have to take 3 names from this. So this is the first name that has come up. Who's going to be the second one? So who's going to be the second one? Let us see. The second name that has come is Dan Bahadur Thapa. So Dan Bahadur Thapa, congratulations to you. Your ID is 57065540. So 2 names have come, so you'll have to take the third name. People are very much excited. I believe all the people who are seeing there, they are excited to know that who's going to be the third name and who are going to be the 15 names. Yes. So whenever you feel like you can do that way. Okay, you can stop whenever you find. Okay. So the next name that has come is Cyrus Ghiwala. Cyrus Ghiwala, 710444631. So thank you so much for the 3 names. So let us see who's going to be the next one to take out the names. Yes. Please, people are waiting for a good morning.
Hi everyone, this is Isha.
Isha, so what all you need to do, you have already seen that you will have to just start so that all the names are going to get shuffled, and then you will stop, then one name will come out. So I believe this is for the first time you are taking out this.
Yeah.
Oh yes. So let us see who's going to be the next one. When we make people wait here, people get excited. They're going to be the next one. So let's increase some excitement for the people down there. Yes, or we can go ahead. Yes, if you can. So the next name is Sultana Muhammad Alameen. So Sultana Muhammad Alameen, your ID is 593237776. I am repeating it, 593237776. So congratulations to you too. So 4 names are already there. Please take out the 5th name. And all those 4 names which are there already come out, they are getting listed here. So you will get the details. Priyan Haridas, congratulations to you too. Your name is the one, the 5th one. 571-85471. 570-85471. So that's your ID. So congratulations. Priyan Haridas. Yes. So who's going to be the next one? Everybody says, okay, my name should come this, my name should come this, so your name is going to be the next. So next name is Apurva Dikshit. Your ID is 58242424. Wow, very exciting ID. 58242424. Very easy to remember. Yes, so congratulations, Apurva Dixit, to you too. And thank you so much. Thank you so much. Who's going to be the next one?
Hi everyone, this is Sakshi.
Hi, Sakshi.
Hi, sir.
So, you know now what to do. So, please take out names. Already 6 names are there. We are almost on the halfway. So, the name that she has taken out is Shivji Singh. Shivji Singh, congratulations to you. 761 36009. Oh, sorry. 710 36009. 710 36009. Shivji Singh is your ID. So, I am repeating again and again. I have taken wrongly the ID. So, yes, we can go to the next one. Harvinder Singh, congratulations to you too, Harvinder Singh. Your ID is 54606916. I am repeating 54606916. So congratulations to you, Harvinder ji. Yes. So now 8 names are already there. Yes, wonderful. We are on the halfway. Who's going to be there? Next, 9th. Sinai Anpalkan. I hope I'm taking it nicely. I don't know, but please excuse me if I'm wrongly pronouncing it. So, Sinai Anpalakan, congratulations to you. Your ID is 71040607. So, congratulations to you. Thank you so much. Who's going to be the next one?
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Good
ST.
morning.
My name is Firoz.
So, Firoz, take out few names, yes. So Saraswati Chand Singh, congratulations to you. Your ID is 84165503. So congratulations to you. So it's already 10 names are there, Firoz, the last 5 names. So I believe you will be taking 2 more names, taking out 2 more names and making them lucky. So who's going to be the 11th one? The 11th one is Ashish Kumar Yadav. Ashish Kumar Yadav, congratulations to you. Your ID is 57172249. So 12 people, 11 people are there. So 12th name is going to be there now. As these numbers keeps on coming close to 50, no, people start getting excited. This time my name. Saranya Satyakumar, so congratulations to you. 97443262. So people are excited here as well. So the moment the name comes, they also clap for you guys, and I believe you are also clapping for yourself. So 12 names are already there. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Firoz, for taking all these names. So who's coming to take out the last 3 names for the day?
Good morning, Vestige.
Good morning.
I'm Surendra.
Hi, Surendra. So as we are excited here in taking out your names, I believe you people are also excited there in taking out your names. So that's nice. And the name which is coming 13th here is Ashok Lakshman Eligar. Ashok Lakshman Eligar, congratulations to you. 57315017 is your ID. So 13 names are there. The last 2 names. I hope people are excited to know their last 2 names. So who's going to be the last but one? And that name is Aarti Rajapkar. Aarti Rajapkar, congratulations to you. And Aarti, your ID is 57353600. 57353600. So today's last name. Right? Can you make some people wait for a while so that they get excited? No, the people will, at the end, people want name fast. So let us decide how are you going to go for it. So who's going to be the 15th one? So many names are left there. Who's going to be the 15th one? Everybody is excited. So you can now just stop and identify who's the 15th one. Aisha Mohammed Algaria. Aisha Mohammed Algaria, congratulations to you. So, your ID is 97301846. 97301846. So all these 15 names are there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking out these 15 names. And congratulations each and everyone there. All these 15 people who have got themselves lucky and the name listed here, and they will be getting this mobile very soon. Somebody from us will be contacting you to confirm your credentials, and later on we will be delivering this to you. So till the time, all the best to you for February month business as well as for the coming year as well. So congratulations, good wish you well. God bless you all.